Virgo, June 2025 predictions. General. Virgo natives in employment may have significant career advancements during June 2025. They may receive support from co-workers and managers. Higher authorities might also reward their efforts. It is advisable for business persons to develop their ventures gradually. Aspiring entrepreneurs may start with small units. Family members may offer financial assistance. Romantic relationships might generally be harmonious. However, married Virgos could face minor quarrels but may resolve them. Minor health issues look possible during this period. Students must put in extra effort for academic success. Love and relationships. Romantic relationships will likely have a bright future. Lovers can expect memorable moments with partners in exotic locations. However, avoid involving third parties in relationship issues. Frequent arguments could arise in married life, which could only be minor. Differences of opinion on trivial matters may cause stress. Relations with siblings could be strained. Also, do not expect support from friends now. Finances. You may have moderate financial stability now. The loved ones could be understanding and supportive. Their guidance might help improve your monetary position. However, be highly cautious with all financial decisions. Too many external opinions may confuse matters. Avoid investing in new company projects. Focus on regaining control over existing resources. Take time to think through your financial moves. Patience and careful planning can benefit you long term. Career. Some may receive job offers. Virgos in the manufacturing fields may get rewards and promotions. R&D professionals may receive appreciation for their creative ideas and might reap the results of their hard work soon. However, salesmen and technologists may not be rewarded the way they should. Media and film personalities might have to wait for some time for the rewards of their labor. Lawgivers may have to be patient to get due acknowledgement. Health professionals, too, may have a tough time getting their patients' recognition. Business. Those entering a new business line may have to be careful with their investments. Please develop your business venture gradually, financed with less funds. It is best to stay away from partnership deals now. Health. Some may feel slightly unwell and catch a cold. Drinking hot water can help reduce cold-related problems. It can soothe your throat and also keep you warm. Education. School and college students may have to work extra hard this month. They may have to invest the hours required to catch up with their studies and assignments to score well. Those wishing to pursue their postgraduate studies abroad may be able to do so in the country of their choice. Research students may have to remain patient and await acceptance of their thesis by the scientific community. Auspicious dates. Inauspicious dates.